18, 19, subject to outcome of the case, subsequently state.
Without any petition.
Get the counsel for the petition.
So there are three cases. In one case, is already two posts are kept vacant. Here also, in one case, there are 110 and another case 90. If Lordship reserves 200 posts also, I have no objection.
We'll do that.
To file objection and
There is nothing, Mr. That's I have gone through it. There is nothing here to file an objection.
already on fixed on my lord,
On
which-
14th.
which day, my lord?
Tuesday, the matter would be finally heard.
Yes.
What I propose to do is what Mr.
So that,
Soikia,
and before that, I will file, my lord.
no, what Mr. Soikia has said, we'll keep 200 posts reserved for you, which will be subject to the final orders which will be passed on 14th.
My lord, what is my lord happening if it is passing on, my lord?
I'm
with the
protecting
next-
your interest, Mr. Hussain. What more is required? I'm protecting your interest.
There are some other, my lord, materials I have brought in the petition, my lord. Well, illegal.
Nothing is
going on. Total illegality is going on, my lord.
And see, the list that you're projecting is not the final list. It's just a list of PET. Right?
There are another one.
PET,
SC also.
there are two criteria. PET, one, you must qualify 40%, 60%. And thereafter come within the 5, 1:5 range. Your case is that if there are X number of posts and you multiply it with 5, the persons who have been now brought in by the state, it'll be more. It'll be 22,000 has been brought in, it'll be around 26 or something, you say. We'll consider. If you come, we'll consider that.
Not only that, my lord. Honesty not 5 maintained. Number 2, my lord, no list is.
Is this a PIL or is it an individual application by you? Is it an individual application by you or a PIL for many others?
The process, well, even those who
Ma'am,
asked, I do
The
not.
AG has been very fair in saying that this court can reserve 200 posts. What more you want?
Their list may also go, my lord. SARS illegality has done into it.
If it goes, it goes.
So that's why, my lord. Only for 3 days, my lord. In between, my lord. What is going on, my lord? And my
This is police.
And my lord,
We are not preventing the
my
police.
lord, they have filed it.
One day ahead, if we get the police personnel on
My lord,
road,
my lord,
it'll be better for the state.
my lord, here is not the cases like that, my lord. What happened, my lord? They have published the advertisement in 2023, my lord. They were very slowly going and slowly.
Listen to the order.
My lord, kindly one more submission, my lord.
Mr. Bhuya, you are for the petitioners or there is somebody behind the petitioners also?
Lord, kindly hear.
No, just clarify this aspect.
Behind, how can it be, my lord?
Then you are for the petitioners only?
Yes, my lord.
So the candidates who are before this court, I am protecting their interest by reserving 200 posts for them.
My lord, what my pair will be that, my lord? That, my lord, I have got the copy just now. I have got the copy just now, my lord.